Today I am testing out the GoPro Max Lens mod. This Max Lens mod is available for $99, and the key with this is this allows you to do horizon leveling the entire way around. So I can take the camera and go like this, and it's still going to maintain horizon leveling. This entire video will be filmed with the Max Lens mod so that you can see how it performs. So one of the important things to know about the Max Lens mod is you can only go up to 2.7K 60 frames per second resolution. One of the other big differences about the Max Lens mod is you can have horizon leveling in super view mode. When you're super wide, you can see a lot more around you, and it's pretty neat to have that option available. This also makes the stabilization look absolutely incredible with Hyper Smooth turned on with this. You can also use the Max Lens mod for time warp mode. If I didn't have this huge pack on my back, it would be a little bit better. Twisting this every which way while I run. I've got a passenger now, so I think I'll take a break from running. Got a nice little stream here. There's been a lot of rainfall recently, a little bit of snow up in the mountains here, plenty of water. Sunset is on the way. That concludes the test of the Max Lens mod for today. I will note that during the testing I did not put any special effort into holding the camera any more still than I normally do. I wanted to really test the stabilization and the horizon leveling abilities of this Max Lens mod. If you found this video to be helpful, please click like. If you haven't already subscribed, please hit the subscribe button. We'd love to have you on board. Until we talk again, happy GoProing. What a neat little lens. You like that?